The problem with these gangsters, as their boss die, the new one mushroom and become more vicious than the previous one.
Ungqongqothe wezamapolisa ubhekicele uthi babophe abantu ababili ngokubulawa kwabantu abalithumi bomuzi munye kwaZulu-Natal. Kuphenduke kwaba mahluwo nasele balila eGabi yabaphalali ebebahlala ngaphandle kwendlu yomzenda behlangano yentsha bezibumbene kwePitori nasele amapolisa abaqotha. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba godi ku SABC 1 zesiNdebele lochani. Amapolisa aqinisekise ukuthi kudunyizwe kwabulawa amalunga alithumi womndeni owodwa elokishini lembali ngaphandle kwePietermaritzburg kwaZulu-Natal. Ungqongqothe wamapolisa ubhekicele uthi kubotshwe abasola ababili malungana necala leli.
ISouth Africa ibala wahlangana namanye amazwe anesibalo esiphezulu sobulelesi. Gandhi ioffice lamapolisa lithi babalela ku 200,000 abantu ababulawako khethwapha qobe eminyaka. Begodu sikhuluma nje umndeni wamalunga alithumi welokishini leyimbali kwaZulu-Natal sele uhlangana nembalobalo zokubulawa kwabantu elizweni leli ngemva kokudunyizwa komndeni lo elokishini leyimbali ngaphandle kwePietermaritzburg kwaZulu-Natal. Umbiko uthi abantu abangaziwako bafike ngendlovu yangena bavulela ingidi emndenini lo. Ungqongqothe wamapolisa ubhekicele uqinisekise ukuthi kubotshwa abasola ababili abahlotshaniswa necaleli kulandela ukuthi amapolisa alunywe indlebe ngokuthi kunesiqhema sabantu esihlanganyele endaweni eyodwa ngelokuthi batsho siyokuhlanjiselwa ukubulala abantu abaningi. Kulapho ke abasola ababotshwe khona.
We thank police that they managed to respond quick on the matter. They've arrested those two people, one injured, one dead, one run away, and 3 firearms. They found 3 firearms.
Ungqongqothe ucele uthi sele kusikhathe eside indawo le ingana kuthula.
Well, this place has not been giving us peace for a long time. And you remember that there were people that were linked to the crime here that were shot and killed sometime in a place called Scottsville here. Those would have been part of this. The problem with these gangsters, as their boss die, the new one mushroom and become more vicious than the previous one.
Umbiko uthi amapolisa athi nakafika endaweni le afumana amadoda amanajeme ngaphandle nakabona amapolisa athoma dumuza. Kulapho ke amapolisa azibuyiselele khona bekwabhubha omunye wabasolo aba. Sikhuluma nje umsolo yedwa akaziwa ukuthi ubalekelephi. Bekube khathesi unobangela wokubulawa komndeni lwakaziwa. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Nasezwelezo zakhamuzi Soweto zithi akwenziwe msinyana babotshwe abantu ababulela abantwana ababili ngesihluku izolo. Abantwana abathunjelwe esikolweni samabanga phasi iSiseko Primary School ngelesithathu. Intumbu zabo zitholakala izolo. Intumbu zitholakala eziphuthelwe ngeplastiki eWhite City neRockville. Kusolwa bona uTsiyamo Ndlovu neminyaka esithandathu ubudala noNqobizitha Zulu oneminyaka emihlanu ubudala bathunjwe ngelesithathu baqwiywa babulawa. Umsanyana omunye obeka lapho naye ukhonile ukuphunyuka wabaleka. Izakhamuzi zithi zinevalo lokuthi umkhwa lo ubulala abantwana uzokuthwelela.
Abe baphume emakhaya bayehla kwabantwana abaya eCenter yethu ecommunity mabafika eCenter bathola singekho mabafika basithola singekho bayehla abantwana baya kuphike manje sebaya eThokoza kulapho ke ukuvele khona le inkinga le.
The community is very sad. I think this is shocking for everyone, but we're also praying for these people to be found because what they did, I don't know what to call it, but it's hurtful.
Ukunyamalala kwabantwana kwenze bona imndeni salinembuzo eminingi.
Okwamanje sadidekile izinto isiphithiphithi angazi ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngicabange kanjani isimo akuso at the moment sisadidekile.
Ingqhema eziluse ubulelesi eSoweto ziba amapolisa bona abasekele ukulwa nobulelesi eSoweto.
We are dealing with people that are likely to be using children's parts for muti, or there's also some level of trafficking.
Thunyezwa kahulumende besidosa phambili nguNdunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi zikhambeza ukulilela umndeni. uLesufi ubawe umthetho bona usebenzwe babanjwe abenzi besehlakalo esi. Ikomiti yezokuphepha esibethamthethweni sesifunda nayo beyikhona izokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi wenziwa ngefanelo umsebenzi.
No, our mandate is to make sure that what the department, in essence, the departments that are involved, the Department of Education, the Department of Social Development, and the Premier's office do actually come good of their promises and undertakings that they've made to the families. And then secondly is also to the police to make sure that the police do their job and find the culprits that they've done this.
Nanje akwaziwa bona babuleweleni abantwana.
Bezomthetho babeke ilihlo lebukhali ema-ofisini wentsha ezibumbenekwe eBrooklyn ePitori ukuqinisekisa bona abaphalali abaqotshiweko laba ababuyi lapha. Abaphalali baqotshwe namhlanje kuseni ngemva kobana uhulumende akateleleke bona abaqotshe okulandela incwadi evela ecourt ethi abaqotshwe.
Bathe bavuke kuseni bahlangabezana namapolisa agcwele indawo.
The SAPS is authorized to arrest and detain any member of the first respondent or any associated with him who resists removal or becomes violent.
Ngemva kwalokhu kwachukuluka yonke into.
I just need. Give me what everyone has, and that is the legal to be in a country, to be protected. That's all. Human rights. That's all I want. If I have that, I don't need anything else. I don't need charity.
Kuphenduka amathuwo lapha.
We come from Lindela City. We are suffering. The kids, they are suffering. We can go back. City is not right. I don't know that one. I'm going the way I'm going. God.
Abanye bazinikele bona basiwe Lindela ekukulapho bazokubiselwa emazweni emakhabo. Abanye bazikhethela indlela ehlukileko nanyana amaphepha abo aphelelwe isikhathi. Abaphala laba bangaphezulu kwekhulu bavela eBurundi, eKenya, eUganda kanti iningi labo bavela eDRC. Abanye balilele zensimbi ekushiya abantwana abaningi bahlalela evalweni.
This is exactly what we try to avoid, because I don't think this is very human what's happening here. And there was that mediation order. Part of the order was let's have a mediation session where everybody is involved, also the UNCHR, to try to find a better solution.
Nanyana abaningi babhalile ukubuyela eLindela, abanye bazinikele. Abaphala laba babetha phasi ngenyawo bathi nawuseninarheni zekhabo zona abayilapho kodwana nokuhlala eSouth Africa pha abakufuni nakho.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuzile ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngokususwa kwabaphala labahlezi ngaphandle kwama-ofisi wentshaba ezibumbeneko. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Nabarula basibangilera kharageni enkulu batsho ukuthi mntekwenziweni wakwangena enarheni ngaphandle kwencwadi abathathu babusele ngale nkabo
abonje mabegoloza betha bayindawo usho lukhulu lokho futhi lona lizwe mhlawumbe emhlabeni onke jikelele eninabantu bangaphandle abagoloza kanje
noma kona sekube yishort notice lokhanjiswa kabo kodwa nokho bandla aya basixolele sebebaningi kakhulu hayi sebebaningi kakhulu sebexakana nathi nesystem alathini sicinene kakhulu iyahluleka ihlulwa nayithi nje sikhona awu
omunye nomunye ekhabo nje khona omunye nomunye ekhabo nathi sale la emakhaya la sithagena lo shading yethu nawabona into zabo ngale ekhaya le bawulisa inkomo zabo le ekhaya
umthetho awudlala indima yawo ukuze kusilabantu bakhona ukuhamba balibangise la Ingivisa buhlungu kakhulu lenzaba msakabi because lamanye ama-foreigners lamavela asuka kiwo asuke ngoba ayahlupheka so betela South Africa because batothola impilo lengcono uma ngibona nje babakhipha so kubuhlungu kakhulu because if ngabe bekunguwe bongeke uzokujabula.
I just need give me what everyone has.
Imbono ngeyombukeli SABC angekhe ithwese umlando ukuziphelela ngombono ovezwa umbukeli. Abaholi be-ANC banempela veke ephithizelayo njengoba nayo ikomiti enkulu yehlangano le ibambe umhlangano. Lo mhlangano uthome namhlanje kanti nomongameli weNamibia uHage Geingob uyaphumelela ukuya kiwo. Ihlangano yakhe iswapho ilahlekelwe lisekelo emakhethweni njenge-ANC. Unobhalazo Mbelelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uhlathulula ngendaba eziyokudenjwa.
There can be no tangible freedom, peace and prosperity if 7.5% of South Africans who live with a disability continuously feel excluded. The majority of these live in the poorest and most underdeveloped provinces of the Free State, Northern Cape, Northwest and Eastern Cape. Therefore, in line with the motto of Disabled People South Africa, which says, "Nothing about us without us," we have invited the President of DPSA to offer us a first-hand insight on the challenges and potential solutions to ensure that South Africa belongs to all who live in it, black or white, able-bodied or with disabilities.
Umengameli weNamibia uHage Geingob uwahlabe ngamagama abukhala amazwe angasi ingcenye yekhotho yezentshabatshaba agandelela indaba yokubana umengameli weRussia abotshwe. Umengameli uGeingob usevakatshweni lombuso eSouth Africa kanti ukhulume nomlingani wakhe umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa eUnion Buildings. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi uhulumende usakhulumisana ngendaba yokukhutshwa kwencwadi yokubotshwa kukaMengameli weRussia uVladimir Putin yikhotho yezentshabatshaba.
Leli livakatshe liqhakathekileko likaMengameli uChisikhundla umnyaka ozako ngemva kwamakhetho. Umengameli uGeingob ngusihlalo wehlangano iSADC Troika Organ kezepolitiki, ivikeleko nokuzivikela. Umengameli weNamibia ubeke wanqopha ngendaba yokukhutshwa kwencwadi yokubotshwa komdosi phambili wehlangano yeBRICS umengameli weRussia uVladimir Putin.
I had that kind of a situation long time ago, and I was with the American Secretary of State, Mrs. Clinton, that time. And she was so eager attacking Kenya and trying to take these people to the International Criminal Court.
Usihlalo wehlanganisela yamazwe yeBRICS uthi basaxoxisana ngendaba le.
We have noted what the ICC has said in relation to President Putin, and we ourselves are still discussing this matter. Your question was whether we have finalized our position or not. It is a matter that is still under consideration.
Umhlangano obanjwe wongqongqotjhe bendaba zangaphandle emkhandlwini iG7 obanjwe mhlapha eJapan kuthethe isiqundo sokugandelela amazwe asathuthukako anca ngeSewula bona anini Moscow. iJapan akhange imeme South Africa embizweni le.
We are not unhappy for not being invited because in the end it is the host's choice.
Kuthe nakuphakanyiswa yipi yeSudan bobabili bomongameli bakhombela bona iphele ipileya. Bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amathathu abone sebabhubhileko ngunobangela wepile.
Abanye babahlali beBurgersfort eLimpopo basele banganamakhaya ngemva kokuthi imhlahlana yabo ithungelelwe ngomlilo. Thungelelwe batshayeli bamateksi. Izakhamuzi zithi isehlakalo esifana nalesi asithomo kwenzeka. Abatshayeli bamateksi basola abahlali bemhlahlana laba ngokuthi bafihla inlelesi. Ingaphezulu kwama-20 imhlahlana ethungelelwe ngomlilo.
Izakhamuzi ziloba indawo ekungizo zodwa abazibiza ngamakhaya. Abenzi balesi senzo kuthiwa batsho basebenzisa ipetroli ukuthungelela imhlahlana ngomlilo. Izakhamuzi zithi konke lokho kwenziwe batshayeli bamateksi beBurgersfort. Imhlahlana ema-25 yoniwe imindeni yasalingana zembatho ukudla nendawo yokufihla ihloko ngovela bahlinze nakhona kwathungelelwa ngomlilo imhlahlane engaphezulu kwama-70 kodwana akakho namunye umntu owabotshwako izakhamuzi zithi zilobe nabo mazisi nezambatho zabantwana zesikolo bathi batsho abenzi balokhu bajamise bebakhandela abacima imlilo bona bangakhoni ukucima umlilo
lenaneo la di-taxi ba re sukela ka mollo le di-petrol ba fokela ba gasha ba re tshuba go tshubiwa mo dipasa diyengi
abatshayeli bamateksi basola abahlali bemhlahlaneni ngokuthuwelelisa ubulelesi bebatsho nokuthi imhlahlana le ayisisemthethweni begodwa ifihla nabantu abathengisa imdakamizwa beyifihle nenilelesi
ge o ka lebelela poleke ekhwi ditsotsi tse dintšhi ge di utswa ka mo toropong di tšhabela ka mo e le gore le maphodisa a palela ko gore ga ba barekediša ba fihla mo ba ema ne ba sa kgone go tsena ka mo
abahlali aba basele banganani baba urhulumende bona ngenelele khe kabaqalelele ngemputhelwano zokudla nendawo yokufihla ihloko amapholisa weLimpopo athi ayaphenya malungana nalokhu ukuthungelela ngomlilo
ababelethi namalunga womphakathi eValboven eMpumalanga bavale isikolo samabanga phasi eBudlweni Primary School ngendaba yemakhiwo emdala kunye nehlelo lokuthi abafundi baye esikolweni ngokudlegana isikolo esisakhiwe ngo1992 kodwa nje umakhiwo wakhona uyagirika begodu asinansetshenziswa ezifaneleko
isikolo samabanga phasi ngisosodwa esikhona endaweni le bangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezili-750 abafundi abasebenzisa abomakhamba ngendlwana bokufundela babelethi bathi umraro lo bathoma ukukhuluma ngawe ngo2019 kodwa khange batshejwe umuntu bagcine bavumelana ngokuvala isikolo
even nale issue yama mobile class they suppose ukuthi bayiqedile by February ngoba bathembisa ukuthi bazosinikeza 8 but bagcine kuletha the last 2 manje after February nakhona showing ukuthi abasithatha serious
babelethi bathi bavumelene ngokuthi bakhupha abantu ababo lapha ngombana kaphephi esikolweni bathi okhunye okubasilinga kakhulu indaba yokuthi isikolo sisebenzisa ihlelo lokuthi abafundi baye esikolweni ngokudlegana
zali bancume ukuthi isikolo masingachubeki ngenxa ye safety yabantwana babo
so abantwana bethu esikolweni betaka ngeliviki lenye langa betaka yi2 lelilandzelako betaka yi2 kayi3 so uma babuya futhi basuke sebakhohliwe lo msebenzi labawendile last week leliviki leliphelile
Umnyango wezefundo eMpumalanga uyazazi intshijilo ezikhona eBudlweni Primary School.
Siyawazi ama-infrastructure challenges alapha eBudlweni Primary School. Kungmanje sicalile iprocess yokuappointa contractor lozo wakhale ikolo ngama-phase amabili.
Ababelethi bagandelela ukuthi abazukuya esikolweni abantu ababo. Bekube kulapha umraro lo urarululwa khona.
Ziphelela lapha zanamhlanje zikhona zesiZulu ngo7 ebusuku nibe nepela veke emnandi nisale kuhle